All right. Hi, everyone.
Hi.
Who are you?
Ricardo.
Ricardo. Who are you?
The skeleton.
You're a skeleton. What's your name, Mr. Skeleton?
Dodo.
Giorgio. What are we doing tonight?
A pajama party.
A pajama party. Let's see what we have. Ricky's got some hot chocolate with marshmallows and some cookies. What is that? Oh, that's some popcorn. Giorgio, what are you drinking? What are you drinking tonight? Is that vodka? Are you drinking vodka? No, that's pear juice. You silly.
Hola.
Oh, hola. Wrong country, silly. Ciao. So, we're just here hanging
Hola,
out.
¿cómo estás?
Oh my goodness, that was hello. How are you? Adios. You can't say that till the end of the video. But we made such a cool tent. Do you guys want to show them the inside of the tent?
Uh-huh.
Okay, let's see the inside of the tent. Let's walk through. So right here we have Giorgio's bed. And then, oh, all the way towards the back, you can't really see it, but there's where I'm sleeping tonight. Yep, that little space. And then Ricky, where's your room?
There.
Right here? Over here? Ricky has his own little entrance to his room, and yeah. So that's the inside, and this is what it looks like from the outside. We made a massive tent because we got some big people here. So yeah. So, happy Halloween, everyone. I hope you have fun wherever you are. And I love you all. And the boys have something to say.
Adios.
Adios. Happy Halloween. What do you say at Halloween time?
Happy Tutelin.
Happy Tutelin? Trick or what?
Trick or treat.
Trick or treat. All right, bye guys. Trick or treat, smell my feet, give me something good to eat. All right, bye guys.